What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canal again. We're not doing a tutorial right now, but I just wanna say that today is a special day. It's Thanksgiving Day. So I just wanna express my gratitude for everything what I have. So I just wanna say I am very grateful that I have this channel, the Pastor Canayo, where I can showcase my skills in the languages that I know. At the same time, I'm able just to help others in their journey becoming a web developer, by doing these tutorials. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful that now I'm doing the JavaScript tutorial. I'm grateful for my 27 subscribers that I have. 27. I used to have 23 as in 3 days ago. Now I got four more, 27. Let's keep growing more. I'm grateful for the opportunity I have to be right here talking to this camera right here to say that I'm grateful for the camera. I'm grateful for this new day. Like it's a shiny, nice, beautiful day. I think it's not that cold outside. Usually Thanksgiving is pretty cold, but I don't think today is that cold. Um, I don't know what the degree is, but whatever the degree is, I'm grateful. Even if it's colder than the last year or warmer, I'm grateful for that too. I'm grateful for all the books that I have that I've been buying through the years. I have books in jQuery, in JavaScript, and in Java, and C++, and C Sharp, and C. And I have all of those different books. I am pretty grateful for having those books because books is knowledge. Yeah, I'm grateful for having my house. I'm grateful for having my family with me, my wife, my kids, my parents. I'm grateful for them. I'm very grateful for. Oh man, there is so many things I can be grateful for. What else? I'm grateful for my cell phone because without this cell phone, I wouldn't be able to communicate with people. I wouldn't be able just to make phone calls to the special people that I have in my life. I'm grateful for this water. Drinking some water right now. This water is good gas water. I'm very grateful for the opportunity to be part of this wonderful team of developers on the world, trying their best to continue learning every day. Yeah, I'm very grateful for. Oh, menos I can say grateful. I'm grateful for my computers. Without my computers, I wouldn't be able to code. Grateful for my keyboard. Grateful for my mouse, my mice, because without it, I wouldn't be able just to do anything in the computer. I'm grateful for the noise right now. There's a noise. Somebody is blending something. Grateful for that noise because it's making me notice that there is a noise out there. I'm very grateful for every day. Every day there's a new day with the new challenges. I'm grateful for the challenges that I have too. The challenges that I have every day is helps me to grow, helps me to be better. Yeah, I'm grateful for every single one of my kids. They bring a different mood into the house. Everybody has a different character, a different behavior, and that makes the family. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful that I have my cars that help me to go places. I'm grateful that I have this camera right here, my little Canon, because it helps me make my other videos for my other channel, my Jungle Boy 57. I got another channel. I do different things in there. I don't do any coding, any programming. Basically, this channel is to do that. And the other one I just post once in a while, but I'm grateful for that. It gives me the opportunity to keep myself busy, thinking in different projects and stuff. I'm very grateful for the dogs that we have. We have two dogs. First name is Fluffy. It's a bigger dog, and the little one is a Muffin.
No,
It's not Muffin. Oh, it's Spunky. His name is Spunky. Um, yeah, and I'm grateful that his nieces, Spunky. Oh man, when I think about his nieces, when his nieces, he's an old dog.
Buggers.
There's boogers that comes out. Ah. But anyway, so I'm grateful for the animals we have. I'm grateful for my cat. I got two kitties. One is called the little boy. It's a black kitty. And the other one is a gray kitty. Oh, by the way, I haven't seen the kitties today.
I've seen them.
You
I
seen
give
that?
them key treats.
Okay. Okay, that's good. What else I can be grateful for? I can be grateful for
World.
the world. Yeah, the world that we live in. For the air that we breathe. For the food that we have. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful that sometimes my wallet is zero, no balance on my money on my wallet, no money on it. Just kidding. At least there's $1. I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for what else I give you? I'm grateful for my family in Peru. I am from Peru. I got my sisters and my brother, my niece and nephews that live in Peru. Yeah, I'm grateful to have them in my life. You know, I am grateful for what I'm going around right here. I got a board behind me where I can write down my goals, and I just look at it every day and say, "Oh yeah, I gotta work on this." Yeah, yeah. I'm grateful for the people that I met, and still meeting new people. There's some people that I really admire a lot, and I'm very glad to have them as a friend. Pleasure.
Thank you.
I'm grateful for that little girl sneezing, so I can say pleasure to her. Uh, Yeah, I can be grateful for so many different things. I can be grateful for all day long right here, but I just wanted to say this video that this channel will keep on going. We're going to be doing more tutorials. We're going to be finishing the JavaScript tutorial. As you can tell in my videos, I start at one programming language and then I get bored. I don't finish it up, and like I did with Java and C++ and C Sharp and other languages, I gotta finish all of them. But I'm gonna start with JavaScript. I will finish all the way, and then I will go maybe jQuery after that. Or might be go Java or C++. Or might do some might do some design stuff. I might do Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop or whatever. We're right here just to learn a lot of things. So cool. Oh yeah, this is my little girl. She's coming into the picture, into the camera.
Hi.
I'm grateful for this little girl. She is my only little girl in the house. She is beautiful. Right, girl?
Yeah.
Aw, love my little girl. But anyway, thank you
Bye-bye.
for checking the video. So let's keep growing the channel. So by the end of this weekend, at least we can have 3 more subscribers to have 30 subscribers in my coding tutorial channel. Pastor Kalai. All right, sounds good. Thank you and have a nice day. Enjoy eating your turkey and your family time, especially in these hard times with the COVID. Anyway, have a good day. Bye-bye.